Your business is not slow, your systems are disconnected. You are generating leads, you are getting orders, and you are talking to your customer. But none of it is connected. Leads sit idle, orders are not tracked instantly, and follow-ups are inconsistent. And that's exactly where growth breaks. So in this video, I'm not just going to show you automations. I am going to show you a complete system. A system that connects your leads, sales, in communication into one flow using Pabbly Connect. Think of this as a simple but powerful structure. Every business needs three things to grow: a way to capture leads, a way to track sales, and a way to engage or communicate with users. Individually, these things are useful, but when you connect them together, they become a growth engine. And that's exactly what I have built. Now let's start with the first automation, which is all about engagement. Here I have created a simple integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly chart flow. So normally when you store data in Google Sheets, nothing really happens. It just sits there. But with this automation, I added a new record into the sheet. Something powerful happens. Instantly, a WhatsApp message is triggered and sent to that user. I have created this as a dummy example for food alert. In real time, it works like this. Let's say I enter the username as dummy user, one discount, and as soon as I have entered the number here, see, automatically I received a personalized food offer message on WhatsApp. There is no manual sending, no delay, no effort. This completely changes how you use data. Your data does not just sit anymore, it triggers action. I have already created a separate detailed video on this integration. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. Now let's move to the second automation, which focuses on sales. This is a very common problem. You receive order from your store, but your team doesn't know immediately. They keep checking dashboards, refreshing pages, or asking each other if a new order has come in. So what I have done is I connect Shopify with Slack using Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new order is captured in Shopify, an instant notification is sent to the Slack channel, just like this. That includes all the order details. I'll give you a real-time overview of this workflow. Let's say I want to purchase this cord set, so I am selecting it and clicking on this buy it now button. After that, I am doing one test payment by entering one test email address. First name is real, last name is user, and some more details too. Next, I am clicking on this pay now button, and you will see the payment is done successfully as I have received the receipt. Now I am going to show you my Slack channel by refreshing it. See, instantly I received a new message in my sales team that includes the order ID, my name as a real user that I have entered while doing the payment, product name, amount, and all the details. This means your team does not have to check anything manually. The system notifies them instantly. This improves response time, speed ups processing, and keep everyone aligned in real time. Every sale becomes a tracked event without you touching anything. Now let's talk about the leads, which is the foundation of any business. Leads often come from the platform like LinkedIn, Facebook, and many more. People manually copying data and pasting it inside their CRM. So to get rid out of this manual work, I built a third automation where a new leads from LinkedIn are directly sent into your Zoho CRM. So the objective of this workflow is also very simple. The moment a new lead is captured through your LinkedIn lead ads, it automatically created as a contact in the CRM. No copy paste, no delays, no missed opportunities. Everything is structured, organized, and ready to use. This ensures that every lead is captured and nothing slips through the cracks. So these are the three powerful workflows that I have built by using Pabbly Connect. And not only this, you can integrate multiple applications based on your own needs by using this single tool. So if you like this tool and you want to do the same, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. And as I told you, I have created a separate detailed video of each of these integration. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link. If you want me to create a separate integration between any other application you want, then comment the applications too. I will create a tutorial for that too. And I have also shared the link of all these three workflows in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation tool for your own businesses too. This is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.